Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one-stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. So today we have a very interesting topic, which is talk about Saskatchewan, SINP, the tax and so on. So let's start with a very important question, which is which occupation is high in demand in Saskatchewan? Foreign nationals considering economic immigration would do well to look for opportunities because there are few demand jobs such as registered nurses, transport truck drivers, retail sales managers, heavy equipment mechanics, and so on. The next question is 65 a good point for SINP? The SINP points assessment grade is out of 100 points. In order to be eligible for the program, the candidate must score a minimum of 60 points. Well, here's another important question. How to increase SINP points? Well, working on your language skills is the key point. A maximum of 20 points are awarded for language proficiency by the SINP. The language test results are one of the most important documents required for the Canada PR. And if you can achieve high language proficiency, it can boost your overall SINP points. So, does SINP guarantee PR? The SINP is only one step towards becoming a permanent resident in Saskatchewan. All approved applicants must also apply for residency through Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada Immigration Commission. Here's another question, that is, can I leave Saskatchewan after PR? So as a permanent resident, you must at least stay for 2 years. If you relocate to a different Canadian province after taking permanent residency through PNP program, it may be problematic for you at the time of applying for a citizenship. Well, what about tax? How much tax is there in Saskatchewan? The tax rates in Saskatchewan range from 10.5% to 14.5% of the income, and the combined federal and provincial tax ranges between 25.5% to 47.5%. So wasn't that some important news? And we will keep giving you such important news further. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.